Okay, hello there. This is Francis from Generational Wealth Traders, aka Generational Wealth Academy. Now, in this short video, hopefully it's going to be a short video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to take partial profits. If you are in a trade and you're in profits, you want to take part of it, you want to close part of your position and let the rest of it run. This is how you do it. Now, just basically say this. Watch this. Follow me closely. So this is a trade I'm in Euro USD, and you can see, I have 0.2 lots there, 0.20 lots there, which is a mini lot size. Okay, so if you were to click on it, if you tap on it once, it shows you the details of the trade. There isn't much details there, just the the commission or the charges. No stop loss, no take profit. I don't advise you do this though. This way. I always advise that when you enter a trade, make sure you enter your stop loss immediately or or if you like, the same time. But anyway, this is just training purposes, so let's just go with it the way it is. So if you tap on it again, it closes that. That's not what I want to do. What I want to do is take partial profit. So I want to click on that bit where it says Euro USD or where it says buy 0.2. Click on it and hold it down. Click on it with your finger or whatever and hold it down. It gives you these options to either close, modify, trade, chart, or cancel. If you click on cancel, it basically means you change your mind, you don't want to close the trade. Okay, let's click and hold down again. We want to close. So click on close and it gives you this option. So you can see at the top there is minus 0.1. Then next to that, you have minus 0.01. Then, of course, in the middle, you have 0.2, which is the lot size with which you entered the trade. Okay. To the right-hand side, you have plus 0.1. And to the far right, you have plus, sorry, I take that again. On the right-hand side, you have plus 0.01. And then at the far right, you have plus 0.1. So what we want to do, because we are closing partials, or taking partials, you want to use the one that shows the ones on the left, with the minus 0.1 or minus 0.01. So the minus 0.1, obviously, that's that's mini lot size. If you want to incrementally reduce it, using the mini lot size, or if you want to do that using the micro, you will go with minus 0.01. So let me just quickly, do both of them. So you see, as I begin to tap on minus 0.01, let's start with that for instance, minus 0.01, just watch what happens to the bigger number in the middle, which is 0.2. So I'm going to be tapping now on the minus 0.01. See what happens. Tap, you see it's reducing. I keep on tapping on it, it keeps reducing. So if I stop wherever I stop, it means this is what I want to close. If I close it now, using the button at the bottom which says close with profit, 22.95, it means that's the amount of profit you are taking out of your overall profit, and the lot size you are closing is the one there, which is 0.15. Let's say I change my mind, I don't want to close that much. I could basically incrementally take it up again, by going to the right hand side and clicking on plus 0.01. Let's just do that. Let's say I wanted to, assuming I wanted to close more, I could then obviously bring it from where I was to 0.1. If I close it now, this is basically the profit I'm taking out of the overall profit, and I'm done. But hey, I don't want to do any of this. What I want is to close half the position. So however much you want to close is up to you. Just use the micros and the minis on the right or left, and decide which one you want to go with. So I'm going to close half. So I'm going to walk around, bringing it down to 0.1. I could decide to go click on the 0.01 again, keep on going until it gets to 0.10. See, if I do that, it's taking me to 0.09. No, I don't want to do that. So I bring it back up 0.1. So if I was to click on the close with profit at the bottom, that's basically what I'm doing. I'm closing half the position and taking that much money. Okay. Before we do that, let's just do one more thing. So let's go to the extreme right now, where you have plus 0.1. See what happens. It brings you back to your lot size, which you have in there. Let's click on it again. Now it's 0.3. You can see at the bottom, the button says close, but it's grayed out. It's not activated, which basically means you cannot close what you don't have. You can't close what you don't have. You don't have as much as 0.3 there, so you cannot close that. So work with what you have. You can only close what you have. Let's now come back down here, and this is where we are. I'm going to click on that close with profit now. Whatever the amount there is what I'm going to be taking away. You can see it brings us back to this page, and you can see now we have just 0.1 as opposed to the 0.2 which we had when I first started. And you can see the amount on the right, profit now of about $18. Hey, guess what? That's basically how much I have left. So I've taken half of the trade, taken half off the table, and I've left the rest of it to keep on going. Presumably it will keep on going up for more profit, and I could close it at a later time. So it's as simple as that. That's how you take partial profits. And hey, if you want to learn more, if you want more of such videos, obviously subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to learn, join our free Telegram group where I give out tips all week long, and I also give out some free trade signals and trade ideas. But if you want to take your trading to the next level, either you are an absolute beginner, feel free to contact me, and I would obviously enroll you into our academy. Otherwise, if you already trade but you want to go into profits, hey, talk to me as well, and we would do what we need to do. Be mindful, there are people out there scamming people using my name. That's what it is. They are impersonating me and scamming people. Just be sure it's me you are talking to. You are talking to the real Francis Obasogie. Now, you might get somebody, on the Telegram or Instagram or wherever saying Francis Obasogie official. It doesn't necessarily mean it's me. Chat with me. Make sure you chat with me. You know my voice. At least I'm sure you can tell my voice now. Get them to send you an audio note if need be, just to be sure you are chatting to the real Francis Obasogie. Hey, have a profitable trading journey. God bless.